Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Sips by unboxing for June. This is a monthly tea subscription. It comes with a product card. It gives you all the information about the teas inside, their steeping time, and all that good stuff. And their caffeine level as well. So I'm going to set that aside for a moment. And the first thing in the box is Two Sisters Tea Hibiscus Iced Tea with Pineapple. Place one bag inside a heat-proof pitcher with 4 cups of boiling water. Brew for 15 minutes. Cool. I'm actually going to open this. It looks like they're in little satchels. I'm very excited to try this. I love pineapple. Love tea. This looks really interesting. So it's just one, ooh, it smells good. One giant bag. And it's supposed to make a whole pitcher of tea, so that's very exciting. I'm gonna make that tomorrow probably. So I will let you guys know how that tastes. And I know I've gotten things from this brand before, but I don't think it was this flavor. There's probably 4 in here. Let me dig them out real quick. This is Kenyan black tea with mango. So I got 4 of those. And this month I'm noticing we didn't get any of the little fillable bags because everything is already in a tea bag. So we don't have any loose leaf tea this month, which is fine. And next, mint matcha green tea. Yes. I like matcha tea a lot and I love mint. That's awesome. So we got 4 of those. Also have a little piece of paper about one of the tea companies in here. The green tea, that's probably that one, I bet. Nope, it's for this one. So this goes with that. Just a little bit more information about that company. And there are 3 of these. Very cool. I'm excited to try all these. So that is what I got this month. I'll show you the product card one more time. A better view of it. Gives you all the information you need on here. Steeping time, flavors, the brand, all that good stuff. So if you guys would like to try Sips by, I will leave all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.